Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can edit TikTok video after posting. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open your TikTok account, and here you can see that I am on my account. Then you need to open a video and then you need to click on three dots, and here you can see that there is no option to edit that. So how you can do that, you simply need to save that video first. Once you save that video into your smartphone, you simply need to click on three dots and you simply need to find an option to delete this video. Okay, once you've done that, you simply need to click on the plus icon and then you need to upload that video again from here. Okay, click on next and then you need to edit from here like this, and then you need to click on post. So this is a process by which you can edit TikTok video. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.